Are you over 60 and struggling to get a good night's sleep? You might be unknowingly sabotaging your health. Discover 4 common, yet dangerous, sleep habits that could be impacting your well-being and learn how to fix them. Sleep is crucial at any age, but it becomes even more vital as we get older. A good night's rest supports cognitive function, physical health, and overall quality of life. Don't let bad habits steal your precious sleep. Many seniors unknowingly develop sleep patterns that negatively affect their health. This video will highlight 4 dangerous habits and provide actionable tips to improve your sleep. Let's dive in and reclaim your restful nights. Reaching for sleeping pills might seem like a quick fix, but regular use can be harmful. As we age, our bodies process medications differently, increasing the risk of side effects. Are you popping pills every night? Sleeping pills can cause daytime drowsiness, dizziness, and a higher risk of falls. Falls are a major concern for seniors, so avoiding these risks is crucial. Plus, sleeping pills can be habit-forming and mask underlying issues. Instead of relying on medication, explore natural sleep remedies. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to wind down before sleep. Optimize your sleep environment by making it dark, quiet, and cool. Consult your doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions contributing to insomnia. There might be a better solution than pills. A short nap can be refreshing, but too much daytime napping can disrupt your sleep-wake cycle. Are you spending hours napping during the day? This could be the reason you can't sleep at night. Long or frequent naps can reduce your sleep drive, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep at night. This leads to fragmented sleep and daytime fatigue, creating a vicious cycle. If you need a nap, limit it to 20 to 30 minutes. Avoid napping late in the afternoon, as this can interfere with your nighttime sleep. Try setting an alarm to avoid oversleeping. Address the underlying cause of daytime sleepiness. It could be poor nighttime sleep, medication side effects, or an underlying medical condition. Talk to your doctor to find the root cause. Engage in regular physical activity and maintain a healthy diet to boost energy levels during the day. A healthy lifestyle can reduce the need for daytime naps. Get moving and feel the difference. Sleep apnea, characterized by pauses in breathing during sleep, is more common in older adults. Do you snore loudly or gasp for air during sleep? These could be signs of sleep apnea. Symptoms include loud snoring, gasping for air during sleep, and excessive daytime sleepiness. Ignoring these symptoms can have serious health consequences. Don't dismiss these warning signs. Untreated sleep apnea can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, and cognitive decline. These are serious health risks that can significantly impact your quality of life. If you suspect you have sleep apnea, consult your doctor for a diagnosis and treatment options. Early diagnosis and treatment are crucial for preventing long-term health problems. Treatment may include lifestyle changes, such as weight loss and avoiding alcohol before bed. A CPAP machine, which keeps your airways open during sleep, is another common treatment option. The blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with melatonin production. Are you glued to your phone or TV screen before bed? This habit could be sabotaging your sleep. Staying up late watching TV or scrolling through social media can make it harder to fall asleep. It also reduces the quality of your sleep, leaving you feeling tired and groggy in the morning. Establish a digital curfew at least an hour before bedtime. Put away your phone, turn off the TV, and give your brain a chance to wind down. Create a relaxing pre-sleep routine. Instead of screen time, engage in relaxing activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music. These activities can help you relax and prepare for sleep. Create a dark, quiet, and cool sleep environment to promote restful sleep. Blackout curtains, earplugs, and a comfortable temperature can make a big difference. Prioritizing healthy sleep habits is essential for maintaining physical and cognitive health as we age. Don't let these dangerous habits steal your sleep and your well-being. By avoiding these 4 dangerous sleeping habits and adopting healthy sleep practices, older adults can improve their sleep quality and overall well-being. Small changes can make a big difference. If you are experiencing persistent sleep problems, consult your doctor for personalized advice and treatment options. Your doctor can help you identify the underlying cause of your sleep problems and develop a plan to improve your sleep. Ready to take control of your sleep? Download our free guide to creating a perfect sleep environment. Click the link in the description below to access valuable tips and resources. Don't wait. Start sleeping better tonight. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and share this video with anyone who might benefit. Sweet dreams.